Let's see how to select a whole line in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And then, as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say we want to select a particular line in our document. So, there are two ways that you can do this. First is by simply dragging your cursor across that line, just like this. And there's another way, which is much faster and will allow you to instantly select that line. First, place your cursor at the beginning of the line. Now, click on Shift and the down arrow key on your keyboard. And just like that, we have automatically selected our line. And you can even drag it further by continuously or constantly pressing on the Shift key and by clicking the down arrow again, just like that. And that is how you can select a single line in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.